Look at these tomatoes, bright red, juicy, and growing right here in my backyard. In this video, I'll show you every step, from one tiny seed to a whole basket full of fruit. And you don't need to buy seeds. Just slice open one ripe tomato and inside you'll find everything needed to grow a whole new plant. Scoop out the seeds along with the gel around them into a small jar. That gel actually stops the seeds from sprouting too early inside the fruit. Add a splash of water and let the seeds ferment for 2 to 3 days. This breaks down the gel and removes diseases clinging to the seed coat. Once fermented, rinse the tomato seeds in a sieve under running water. You'll see the good seeds sink. That's exactly how you know they're ready. Spread the clean tomato seeds on a paper towel and let them dry completely. Fully dry seeds store well and germinate far more reliably next season. Plant the tomato seeds about ½ centimeter deep in warm, loose seed starting mix. Tomatoes love heat, so keep them somewhere consistently warm to sprout. Mist the soil and cover the pots with a clear dome to trap warmth and humidity. Tomato seeds germinate quickly, often within just 5 to 10 days. And there it is, the first tomato sprout. As soon as you see it, remove the dome right away and give it plenty of bright light. Rotate your tomato seedlings a half turn every day so they grow straight and strong. Even light on all sides makes for a much sturdier young plant. Here's a tomato secret. When you repot the seedling, bury part of the stem deeper in the soil. That buried stem grows extra roots, and extra roots mean a stronger plant. While the seedlings grow, prepare the garden bed. Tomatoes need full sun for at least 6 hours a day, so pick the sunniest spot you have. Mix in plenty of compost to enrich the soil. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, and rich soil now means a much bigger harvest later in the season. Push a tall, sturdy stake into the soil at each planting spot before you plant. Tomatoes grow fast and heavy, so support from day one really helps. Before planting outside, harden off your tomato seedling for about a week. A few hours outdoors each day helps it adjust gently to sun and wind. Now, transplant your tomato plant deep into the soil, burying part of the stem again. This extra step builds an even stronger root system underground. Water your new tomato plant deeply right after planting. Consistent, even watering from the very start helps prevent problems like cracking fruit later on. Tuck straw mulch around the base of each tomato plant, keeping it away from the stem. Mulch locks in moisture and stops soil from splashing onto the leaves. As it grows, tie the main tomato stem loosely to the stake. Regular ties keep the heavy, fruit-loaded branches from bending or breaking as it climbs. Here's an important tomato task. Pinch off the suckers. These little side shoots steal energy from the plant. Removing them means bigger, better tomatoes overall. Feed your tomato plant every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Steady feeding fuels strong growth and supports a heavy fruit load later. And here they come, small yellow star-shaped tomato flowers blooming in clusters. Every single flower here has the potential to become a ripe red tomato. Here's a fun fact. Tomato flowers pollinate themselves with a little help from vibration. A gentle tap or shake releases the pollen and helps fruit set. Success! Right where the flowers were, tiny green baby tomatoes begin to form in clusters. From here, they'll keep growing bigger for the next few weeks. Look how heavy these clusters are getting. A healthy tomato plant can produce dozens and dozens of tomatoes across just one growing season. Keep the watering consistent as the fruit develops. Water deeply at the base and try to keep the amount steady. Sudden changes can cause the fruit to split. Once fruiting begins, switch to a potassium-rich feed. This helps the tomatoes ripen evenly and develop that deep, rich, sweet flavor we're all after. Snip off a few lower yellowing leaves near the base of the plant. This improves airflow and helps prevent common tomato diseases from taking hold. Check under the tomato leaves for pests regularly. A simple soapy water spray handles most problems naturally, keeping your tomatoes clean and safe to eat. Now watch the color change. Tomatoes shift from green to yellow-orange to that deep, glossy red we're all waiting for. This part never gets old. A ripe tomato feels firm but gives slightly when gently squeezed, and its color should be fully red all the way around, with no green left. To harvest, gently twist the ripe tomato at the stem. It should separate cleanly, leaving that little green cap still attached to the fruit. Move along the plant, picking tomato after tomato. On a healthy plant, new ones keep ripening every few days for weeks at a time. And just look at this basket. Glossy, bright red, and completely overflowing with fresh homegrown tomatoes. This is what all that patience turns into. Slice one open and just look at that juicy red flesh. Nothing compares to the taste of a tomato picked fresh from your own garden. From one sliced tomato to a whole basket like this. If I can grow tomatoes at home, you absolutely can too. Subscribe and let's grow together.